Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn Block Blast game tricks. So let's get started. So here are some tips and tricks for playing Block Blast or similar puzzle game. So the first tip is start from the bottom. Focus on clearing blocks from the bottom whenever possible. This creates opportunities for chain reaction and can help clear more blocks with few moves. So the second tip is look for combos. Try to set up combos by identifying patterns or groups of the same color blocks. Creating multiple blocks at once can earn you bonus point and help you progress faster. And the third tip is save specific blocks. Specific blocks like bombs or rockets can be incredibly useful for clearing large sections of the board. Try to save them for when you really need them, such as when you are running low on moves or need to clear a specific obstacle. And the fourth tip is plan ahead. Take a moment to analyze the board before making a move. Look for an opportunity to create large matches or set off combos, and try to anticipate how your move will affect the rest of the board. So the fifth tip is use power up wisely. If the game offers power up or boost, use them strategically. Don't waste them on easy levels, but save them for more challenging strategies. Save them for challenging stages or when you are close to running out of moves. So the sixth tip is clear obstacles first. If there are obstacles like ice or crates blocking your path, focus on clearing them first. This will make it easier to create matches or progress through the level. And the seventh tip is take your time. While some levels may have time limit, don't rush through moves. Take your time to think strategically and plan your moves carefully, especially on more difficult levels. Learn the game mechanics. Understand how different type of blocks and power up works. Some may have special abilities or interactions that can help you clear the obstacles more effectively. And the ninth tip is stay calm and focused. Don't get frustrated if you are stuck on a level. Stay calm. Take a break if needed and come back with a fresh perspective. And the 10th tip is practice. Like any game, practice makes perfect. The more you play, the better you'll become at recognizing patterns, planning moves, and clearing levels effectively. By incorporating these tips into your gameplay, you should be able to improve your skills and progress further in Block Blast or any similar puzzle game. So that's it guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.